In this video, we take this great, big, massive petrol RC car off-road for its first proper off-road outing. And by the way, guys, you're not going to believe how cheap this thing is. So, I'm going to put a link down below to where you can buy it. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. We're going bashing. What are you doing, Pat?
Fixing Maxine.
Oh, we're taking the Baja. Pat's making YouTube videos, look.
Always wear a seatbelt.
Pat, how are you done? Oh, what?
I don't know how I did it, mate. I literally just see it exactly on the wonk and I was like that and it just fell up.
Finish it. My car. Are the children right in the back there?
Yeah, she's all belted up. Oh, Kev, you've got a gaping hole in your dashboard. Do you know what? That's oh.
What happened? Hey, AS in the house. What a chav.
Damien!
Hey, you got Damien in the house. We got AS Steve. We got Vinny. We got Ian over there and Claire hiding. Uh-oh. Oh, we got the Savage with a Russian indestructible body and a little baby one there. Do a push of war. 2, 1, go! Oh, look, we got another X-Maxx with an indestructible body. We got Jake in the house. We got AS Steve in the house. Oh, what's he got here?
Savage.
Oh, that looks epic, man. What body is it? Proline?
Yeah.
Oh, check that out, man. That looks epic.
It just looks far too small.
Oh, look at those shocks. That looks good, man. Footage! So here's the size of it compared to an X-Maxx. Oh no, don't hurt it. We'll blast Vinny, watch.
It spits at you.
Tumble wumble, tumble wumble. What happened?
Tumble wumble.
Ah! Watch out, it's hot, Stephen. Oh, tumble wumble. Steve just tried to rinse me there, wasn't he? I'll race it to the grass and back. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah.
Where are we going? Oh, the
Hey, I win. Petrol wins. Oh! What S you running on? 8S, baby. My God, that Savage is quick. Oh, look at it go. Oh my good God. 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh! Carnage everywhere! What happened? This is how we run in our engines in England.
I can hear again.
What happened? Hey, where are you going? Oh, tumble wumble! Steve, do a dance.
No, I don't know.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh, you're putting it back.
Oh no!
Wah, wah, wah.
He ran out of fuel! What's that on the bottom of your shoe, Pat?
Subscribe!
What they got to do, Pat?
Subscribe, obviously.
Steven's using the toilet, everybody. I don't want you to fall over, but if you do, I don't want to miss it on camera.
I don't like it.
I would hold on to you, but then you're going to take me down with you.
That's why I didn't hang on to him.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. That has run out of petrol. That's broken. Does that one work?
Yep.
That one?
Yep.
That?
Yep.
Oh, everything worked. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.